Welcome to FleetProxy. In this video, we'll show you how to set up FleetProxy proxies with Phantom Buster. First, log into your Phantom Buster account. From the top right corner of the page, click on your profile name. Then, click on Proxies and select New Proxy Pool. Give your proxy pool a name. Next, go to your FleetProxy dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Active Proxies. Choose your proxy plan and click Manage, then click Generator. Adjust your country targeting settings, then choose between rotating or sticky proxies. Finally, select your preferred proxy format and copy the generated proxy. Now go back to the Phantom Buster page. Paste the host and port into the host port field. Then, copy the username and password into their required fields. Once everything is filled in, click Add Proxy. And that's it. Your proxy is now ready to use. Thanks for watching, and check out our channel for more tutorials.